In this blog, we will see how to send an email from our application. So, generally we send an email by opening the applications of the respective email providers. But today in this tutorial, we will see how to send from our application itself. So now let us try to design a view for it, for which I have added 4 edit text here. So using which we will accept the user name, phone number, hobbies and country. So as this is a tutorial, I have provided a general fields here. You can customize this according to your requirement here. So here I have added 2 buttons for sending email and for clearing the fields here. So let us try to see the coding part now here. So with the help of Kotlin synthetic binding, we are setting the on-click listeners for both the button clear button and mail button here. And here I have provided the on-click views for them. So we have provided also the methods to clear the fields here. So here we have provided a function clear fields which will clear the edit text, and here send email. Here we have provided the email intent here. You can see the intent dot action send, and here we are putting the email address here. So and here the subject, and here you need to add the details for which you want to send a mail regarding. So now let us try to see the output here. You can see we have provided the 4 text fields, and let us try to fill the details. So here you can see we have provided all the details which need to be sent through our email here. And here when you tap on the send email button, then you will be asked with the email providers. You need to choose from them. So in this particular device I am having only Gmail now. So whenever you are having different email providers, you will be provided a choice between them. So select accordingly, and here we have selected the Gmail. So here you can see the email address. This is the particular email address which we are having in our device, and this is the email address to which we want to send the mail here. So here you can see I have provided, and here is the subject, and below which the body of the email is there. So these are the basic details which we have collected from the user through the input fields, and this is how we can send a default email from our application. So whenever you want to collect the feedback from users through the email from your application, this is the best way. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Android. The code for this tutorial is available in the description section below, and if you are having any queries in the implementation, do let me know in the comment section below.